On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you a little morning power-up smoothie. But I just want to pause here to say welcome and thank you to all the new people coming onto the Jamaican Cooking Journey page. Manners and respect to those that started the journey with us and you're still here. Special shout out to my patrons that have been making my page possible. If you'd like to be a part of our Patreon family, click on the link in the description and show us some love right over on Patreon. Our post notification shout outs today, you know they go right up there. So today's video is just a small one where I'm going to be showing you how to make a smoothie. So I'll be using two fruits. I'll be using papaya. They have all been frozen, and I'm using ripe banana. The ripe bananas are small, so I'm using two. What I just want to do is just to give my little frozen fruits a little rinse. So I always like to rinse the frost family because even though they were peeled and properly washed before I froze them, I always like to rinse the frost. Just me, you know. So we have here some raw peanut. They have been washed, family. Remember to wash your peanuts and air dry them. I am going to be putting them in there, but I'm going to be giving them a grind before. Also, I'm going to be using some fresh mace from my nutmeg. It has been washed, and I'm going to put it in with my nutmeg, and I'm going to bring it to a little grind, and then I'm going to be adding my flax seed. So this is my peanut. This is how it looks. We are not making a punch. You know, some people when they make punch, they like to taste the peanuts in chunks, making it, you know, or we're making a smoothie. So my peanut right in there, my little peanut, wash and air dried, and also at the bottom there. So we're gonna get this all out. That's all you gotta do, because the peanut, you know, very moist right in there. Now for my flax seed, I'm gonna be putting it in my grinder as well. Flax seed. We're not leaving out. These are some really, this flax seed and this peanut, you know, this is a powerhouse for your nerve. Okay, fam, and we have here our good old homemade coconut milk. I'm just gonna be putting like that. I think that's enough. We're gonna put a toast of vanilla. No sugar. The banana has that little sweetness, and the pawpaw is not too bad either. Gonna get them right here. So I've cleaned my area, removed what I've already used. I just brought in my smoothie container and a little extra milk, so everything in there is as it is. I'm gonna be giving it a little chop first. So you see, so we're gonna put a little more of our liquid, this rich, nice, flavorful coconut milk that I am so waiting to just enjoy. A little more chop. If you're using your Ninja, you know you don't have to do this. I put it on the stove. Here we go with this power-up smoothie. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all to your stomach. It is this power-up Mother's Day to-be smoothie. Look at the color that the papaya has given it. Thanks for watching.